Pretty hard. Really hard. Holy shit, it's going to be bad. Holy shit, that was hard.
Whoa!
And let's see what was the final verdict.
Whoa.
67 tons and 740 kilos. Holy shit.
Whoa!
That's huge. It's even stronger now. And the peak force was 635 kilos. Doesn't want to go. What the hell is this? Kato tuolla. Hey, something is happening. Something is happening. Yeah. Something really bad is going on. Oh, here it goes. Okay, let's put 50 tons, bit more. Okay, I think it's ready. I'm a bit afraid for the press, it doesn't look completely even. Oh. Okay, it's pretty tough steel, holy shit. We made like 1 millimeter dent. Yeah, it wouldn't, it would just like spread and spread and spread. It would never go through, no matter how hard you press. Yes, and here is the slow motion. This is about 3000 frames per second, and it took still under 1 frame to crack the whole glass. And as you can see, when the glass explodes like that, there is really lot of really fine dust that you don't want to breathe.
That was pretty strong, but I was hoping that it could be even stronger. How much was it? It was 14 tons. I think we have to try with another one also. I think we can do better. Yeah, and we are going to try is the clear one better than colored one, because I remember that It should be bit harder than that. And here we go.
Ooh.
I think that was slightly better. I think it's going to go.
Ah.
Didn't explode. It bent slightly, but it didn't explode. We weren't that far from explosion when it goes in, so really interesting to see what happens. At least these are now much weaker than last time. Okay, it's a bit harder. What the hell? How it's so strong this time? It should be weaker. Okay. What is going on? I think we broke our tools. Did the tool get so much weaker? Or the ball stronger? What the hell? Okay, what the hell is going on? Okay, this is going on. What the hell? Seems that the ball is not round anymore. At least it didn't get hot. It's really cold still, or is it? Sometimes it takes... Yeah, it's cold, alright. I get measurement device and let's check is the ball anymore round. I think it looks a little bit not round. Okay, and I was so surprised because the first ball bearing, it was like half as strong as last time. And also the hammers on older video, they explode much easier with liquid nitrogen. But my friend who knows more about hardening told that there is this method called cryogenic hardening. And sometimes after regular hardening and like heat treatment, all that stuff, there is still some austenite in like hardened steel. And with cryogenic hardening, you can get rid of that by just cooling the part with liquid nitrogen. And that increases the part's strength and hardness. And it also might be just that the balls get somehow stronger when you cool them down. Okay. But I wasn't far off. Only 100 kilos. So I think this was a bit over. This is like 5,000 times its own mass. Because this was like 100 something and it took like 6, yeah. It's about 60, I think. Yeah, but I think it looks pretty good. I think we can continue still a bit more. Yeah. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's have a look.